Yo, 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 yo. Starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a Jack in the Box going 5 miles.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that order was just under $10. Not bad. I'll take that. Finally got the next order. This one is a McDonald's going about 1.5 miles. This one's most likely going to be charity work, but whatever. At least it'll keep us busy for a bit.
And then if they ask you, straws are in the bag.
Gotcha, thank you. Total for that order was $5 and change. Okay, that wasn't bad. I mean, it only took a few minutes, so I'm good. Anyways, we got the next order right away. This one's Angels going 5 miles. Thank you. You too. Total for that order was $12 and $12 and change. Holy, very generous. Thank you, thank you. Finally got the next order. They kept trying to give me Wendy's orders going 12 plus miles, so almost ended my dash declining those. But this order is an IHOP going, I think it's a 3 miles. Probably not going to be the best order, but definitely better than the Wendy's.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Oh, that's a surprise. That was actually a good order. Total for that ended up being $8 and change. Thank you. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This is going about 1 mile.
Okay.
Thank you. Total for that order was $6 and change, and it only took me 10 minutes from start to finish, so not bad. Next up, we've got a Jack in the Box. This one is $7 going 2 miles. Says meet outside. I'm the security guard. I'll be by my truck. Okay. Not seeing a security guard.
Hello? I think you might be in departments right above mine. Mine's more like closer to the school.
To the school.
Alright, I goofed. Is there a way I can like tip you more and you could bring it here, or if you just drop it off at the front desk, I'll go get it. I work security down over there. I could text you the address and you bring it here, and I can like tip you like $5 more or $10 more or whatever.
Let's see how far away this is actually. That is 4 miles from here. Are you kidding me? Oh, what do I do? What did I say this order was? 7 for 2? If I do take it to the new place, I guess it still might be worth it. I just don't know if he's actually going to tip me extra. That's the issue. Let's just do it. So annoying.
Thank you so much.
Yep, no problem. There you are.
Thank you. You have a great day.
You as well. Well, it wasn't a cash tip, so yeah, that's the part that I was worried about. Because it is Uber, I have no clue if they're even going to tip at all. Next up, we've got an order for El Jefe Birria and Tacos. This one's $9 going 5 miles. Thank you. Just got the next order. This is Gravity Coffee going 6.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Total for that order was $10. Got this order right away. It's a Seize the Bagel, $6 and change, going 1.5 miles.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This next order is a Mr. Maple Donuts going 6.5 miles.
You have a good day.
You too, thank you. Total for that order was just under $10. Not amazing, mostly because I got to drive all the way back. Next up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Burger King and McDonald's. $14 going 6 miles. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. I need a gig code, and of course they did not provide it for me. Love that.
Yeah, hold on. Let's see here. Hold on just a second. Okay, the gate should open.
Okay, yeah, it should open. There's like 4 other cars here waiting, so someone's bound to have it if it doesn't open.
I did the code, but it's not opening.
It's just opening right now, yeah.
Oh, it is. Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Yep, thank you. Okay, I am pretty much out of gas, so I don't think I can even do another order if I wanted to. Current time is 10:03. Total, we ended up with 104. Oh, actually, let me double check how much that one guy tipped. He tipped $10 for that Jack in the Box order. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.